everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have a different background. I am sitting in an empty basement. I have no lighting or anything except the ceiling lights because our basement flooded, and this is all I have until we get our basement back together. But you guys know what? I got a Bolzano bag. I was super excited about this. I love Bolzano. I've been using their purse. I've had 2 of them so far, and I absolutely love it. So what is Bolzano? Bolzano bags is they say they're custom made bags. But what it is it's a subscription service that you guys can subscribe to get a purse. And one thing is, you don't know what purse you're gonna get. They send them in different colors and all that stuff. And then what you guys do is you do a survey when you sign up, and it'll ask you a lot of questions on like what kind of style you like, this and that. But so far, the 2 that I've had, I absolutely love it. I've been using them since I've got them, but today we have a new bag. Now the subscription that I get is the deluxe box, or deluxe subscription. Sorry, my cat found a toy to play with. But this would cost $43.95 for this that you guys can get. So basically what it is, it's the purse and accessories plus beauty items. You guys can also just do the normal subscription, which is just the purse and the accessories. So you guys can choose. The regular one is $33.95. So you're paying $10 more for the beauty items, which I really like. You know, for $44 for all that stuff is a pretty good value. And I also have a free gift that you guys can do. So what you guys do is you subscribe, you guys sign up, you subscribe, you add that to your cart. And then what you guys want to do is you want to use the code word creative gift, and you want to add that to your cart, and you guys will get a free gift up to a $45 value when you guys use that creative gift. So definitely check that out. But I am excited to try something different. Now, as you guys know, I love black, and this is different. You guys, this is a pink purse. It doesn't look very much, but you know, with Valentine's Day right around the corner, I actually like it. Like, I've never had a pink purse. Like, I'm always a bright, like I'm wearing bright pink right now, but this is actually kind of cool. One thing I do know is usually these are a crossbody, but this one is not, unless I'll find the hookups inside the purse. But I actually really like this. It's like a nice pale pink. It's perfect for that. So let me just open this up and get the straps. I don't have any of my scissors or nothing, so yes. But this is different. Like, the thing is, like, I love my bags, and I actually probably will love this too. So let's get it started. So they got a really good grip. I love it how I can hit it or fit it right on my shoulder, perfect like that. Another thing I like is I like zip up purses. With everybody getting pickpocketed lately, I really like, you know, to have my purse zipped up. But it is kind of cool. Like, it is kind of cool. And then they also have another purse inside here, so that is kind of cool. So it looks like it is a crossbody. I'd have to figure out how to hook this up. This is weird. It is a crossbody, but I don't know where you would hook it up. It came with the straps, so let's see where we can hook it up at. So, okay, if you guys kind of see, like, inside, there's really no, I mean, there is, unless you hook it up to the outer purse, which is like a little button right here. It's the only way I can think you could put it to be a cross body, but I'm afraid that would fall apart. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I just love their purses. I love that purse. Maybe I'm putting them on wrong. We'll see. We'll see how it is. But otherwise, you know, I like having a crossbody, especially with having kids and everything. I got it right in my area of the spot I want it to be. And then here is the beauty items and the accessories, and then they have some of the these little silica thing. So inside this is another little bag that they have, which I kind of like, because you can always, you got a compartment, you can have a big compartment in here, and then you guys have a little compartment that you can put all your small things in here. Now with the big purse, there is no side zippers or anything, but inside the little purse, inside, there's a zipper inside. So if you, I know you guys can't see because of my lighting, but you got a little zipper right here, and then there is no pockets. But you know what? I do like the bag. I do like the bag. I don't know if I'll use it as a crossbody though. This little emblem is removable if you guys want, but I do like the bag. I do. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. So sorry, Benjamin's like right in my way, but I like it. I do. I like it. I gotta warm up to it more, but I do enjoy, you know, something different. Because as you guys see, I always get black. Black is like my go-to purse, but I like it. I like it. I like it how they have the metal things on the bottom. So that is kind of cool. Okay, shut up, Jennifer, and let's check out the accessories. Okay. And I usually get a card with the information about the purse, but I did not get anything unless it's in here. And I can share with you guys information about the purse and what it's called, and they each have a name, and I wish I had my scissors down here and I don't. There's no card. Usually, okay, but usually you guys get a card with the information, but I didn't get anything. So I don't know what to tell you guys the information, but I love these beauty items. So we got some really cute dangling earrings, if you guys can kind of see. Let's open this up, and then they're all like nightly, but these are really pretty. Like I need to start wearing other earrings, but this will focus. It won't focus, but those are really cute little earrings. So we got those. The next one is another necklace, which is a matching necklace. It's the same kind of the earrings. It's just a matching. Actually, I think this is a bracelet. This is a bracelet, and then this is the necklace. So you got a bracelet, earrings, and a necklace all matching. That is super cute. Super cute. And then I got this little black little bag, which this is awesome. Like, I need something like this for my purse all the time, just to put things in, because I'm always searching for stuff. So we're going to open it up, and yes, there's some really good stuff in here. I just wish there was a card with the information about the purse. Yeah, okay, whatever. But here inside that little black bag, we have the Lavande hand cream. This is by, I can't even pronounce it. It's like by that L'Occitane. This is pretty pricey stuff, you guys. So, yes, but it's a nice little hand cream that's perfect for your purse. I don't know if it's sealed or not. It smells pretty good. So we got a nice little hand cream included. And then there's like a nail kit. So here is like one of those cuticle little things that they cut your you know, your hangnails and everything. That is awesome. Like, I don't have anything like that. And then they have like little tools to pick your nails, and then they have a nail file. So this is kind of like a little bag for nail files, which I think is pretty good. But I really like this, you guys. So I'm pretty excited for the accessories that I got. Like, I find all the accessories really useful. The purse, I still got to get used to a little bit, but I do enjoy it. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to use a crossbody, but I do like it because, you know, right now I can hold it like this. It's super perfect. I really like it. I like it how there is a bag in the bag. So then I can just put whatever on the outside, and then I can just put all my personal stuff in here, zip it up, plus have another zipper so it's extra security. Most likely this bag does come in different colors, but yeah, so everything that I got, if you guys wanted to subscribe, you guys will get everything for $44.95 if you guys join. You know, just add this to your cart. You guys want to use the word creative gift for a code word, and you guys will get an extra special gift when you guys use that code. If you guys don't want to get the beauty accessories, which is, I'm assuming, is everything in this little black bag, then you guys can get the lotion, or you guys can get the necklace and the jewelry plus the bag for $33.95. So definitely check it out. I just say try it for a month, you guys, just to see what you get. But I really love it. You know, it's something different that I usually don't do, but I like it. And these are really good quality purses. Like, I've had purses fall apart on me, but not these. These are really good quality, and I take it everywhere I go. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.